Clean lunch ideas for the whole family. Lunch is the meal that often feels boring to various members of the family. It is easy to get caught up in making the same thing every day, whether eating clean or not. There is no need for this, however. Here are several clean eating lunch ideas that will help your family enjoy lunch each time you make it. Ultimate Tuna Sandwich. Start by using a healthy bread such as sprouted whole grain bread, and then make the filling for this tasty lunch. Empty a can of tuna into a bowl, and add anything you please such as chopped olives, pickles, celery, scallions and even carrots chopped into tiny pieces. Sprinkle a little pepper in, and then use a clean eating approved mayo to mix it together. Add a piece of lettuce or tomato to your sandwich before serving and enjoy. Everything salad. Salad doesn't have to be boring. Use a base of lettuce, trying various types of lettuce to keep things interesting. Add any vegetable, fruit and other topping you desire and have on hand, such as sliced bell peppers, red onions, avocado, strawberries, blueberries, mangoes, chickpeas and mixed nuts and seeds. Serve it with a homemade dressing such as 2 parts olive oil to 1 part each of apple cider vinegar and honey. Or if you are in the mood for a more savory than sweet dressing, mix olive oil with balsamic vinegar, salt, pepper, and freshly crushed garlic. If you are looking for extra protein, add some grilled chicken over the top. Quinoa salad. Quinoa has a large amount of protein, in addition to being extremely versatile. Make up a large batch at the beginning of the week and use it throughout the week for various recipes. For a delicious quinoa salad, simply chop your favorite vegetables into small pieces, then drizzle balsamic vinegar over it. You can also add any herbs and spices that you like. Veggie salad rolls. With a few rice paper wrappers and lots of vegetables, you can create a lunch that is delicious and satisfying. Soak each rice paper wrapper in water for several seconds, then fill it with pre-cut veggies such as bean sprouts, scallions, carrots and lettuce. Add a little homemade peanut sauce made from peanut butter, tamari, ginger, crushed garlic, maple syrup and lime juice. Chili. Chili is a great way to make an easy and healthy lunch, and to use up leftovers while you are at it. Use a slow cooker for a lunch that you can prepare earlier and enjoy later. Simply add any variety of canned beans, tomato sauce, tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, and garlic to the crockpot. Add your favorite spices such as cumin and chili powder, and let the slow cooker sit several hours on either low or high setting, depending on how long it will cook for. Eating clean can be exciting and tasty. Lunch does not need to be any different. Try out some of these ideas and transform your lunchtime into something you and your family look forward to every day. Thanks for watching. Click the link in our video to watch more from Lifestyle Fitness channel, likes and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest exclusive videos.